everything reopening, there's a lot of pent-up demand to rehabilitate automation and controls on machines. So manufacturing is going back into full swing in America, and we're really excited to be helping out. So I'm on my way to meet with a new customer who is looking to rehabilitate all of his machines. So we're here at the customer site, and we're getting ready to go take a look at the machines that need to be rehabilitated. And here we go. Data, and we're now on our way back to do a review of everything that's needed on the equipment side, and also the, not only electrical but also mechanical. So pretty exciting. This project's going to come off without a hitch. Hey, so we're back at the shop, and now that we've received all the drawings and the layout, etc. for the machine, we're going to get to work on putting the proposal together. So we're here with Brian Turner, our senior engineer. He's diligently working away and putting the proposal together and gathering data, getting with suppliers, etc. So that's the next step in the process. Hey, so I'm busy putting the proposal together for this company that wants to do this retrofit on a series of machines. So this will be the first machine to get the proposal in, and we do that one first and then we do the other one subsequently. The reason this customer has chosen to do a retrofit instead of a new purchase is because if they had to purchase something, it would be months and months before that machine would be on site and before the actual equipment would be usable. So a retrofit only takes us a couple of weeks. It can take anywhere from 1 month to 2 months max. So on this particular series of machines, we're doing electrical and mechanical. So here at Infinity, our motto is revitalizing American manufacturing through automation. And the reason that's important and near and dear to my heart is because then we can put people to work doing more complex actions. We don't need them reinventing the wheel, should we say. So hope you guys have a super day, and let's get busy.